Want to trade options simply? This 60-second guide to expert options starts now. First, create an account using email and a secure password and verify your identity. Next, switch to a demo account to practice without risking real money. Explore the dashboard, view charts, the asset list, and select timeframes to suit your style. Select an asset, set your investment amount, and choose a trade duration. Tap buy or sell, confirm the trade, and watch the live chart as the position moves. Use simple indicators like moving averages or RSI to help time entries and exits. Manage risk, stake a small portion of your balance, and never chase losses. Where available, set stop loss and take profit levels to automate disciplined exits. Practice regularly with the demo, review each trade, and jot down what you learn. Start small, stay consistent, and build your skills step by step over time. Ready to begin? Try Expert Options Demo now and trade with confidence.